Hey guys, today we're gonna make creme brulee following a tasty recipe. The ingredients you need are actually 4 things. Heavy cream, we have heavy whipping cream instead because we couldn't find heavy cream. Egg yolk, vanilla extract, and sugar. You can use a blowtorch if you have one.
Oh, where is it?
Pretty cheap on Amazon, 15 bucks. I guess it's not so cheap for
You have to get butane too.
Yes, we bought it from Home Depot. But anyways, yeah, let's just get started to making the creme brulee. You need to make this probably the day before because you want to let the custard cool.
It says you have to put it in for 2 hours in the fridge for 2 hours, up to 2 or 3 days. So we're just gonna do it overnight.
We need 2 cups of heavy cream.
2 cups because we're making 3.
Wow, I poured just the right amount. Let's go ahead and heat it up. You're supposed to whisk it? I don't know if this hit it till one.
You need yolks only, so I'm gonna attempt to do the thing where you go like this. If I fail, don't roast me, please. That I did not crack this egg really well. Ah! Great.
Nice.
Alright, so Justin, you can try.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yep, and you do that 2 more times. There's the yolks. You add the sugar. Then the whisk.
I wonder how long it takes if we're not using a hand mixer. Oh yeah. So yeah, mix it really well. Good luck.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna pour and you're gonna mix gradually.
It smells good.
Smells like creme.
Yeah, smell it.
Smells great. I'm just gonna boil water to put inside our tray with the ramekins. We preheated our oven to 325 degrees. And basically you just want to pour the water in where the ramekins are, about to maybe like halfway up the ramekin, and you're just gonna pour this custard mixture into there.
So basically you also want to scrape off the top layer, like there's little bubbles. I don't know why you want to do that, but they did it in the video.
Now we're just gonna pour the hot water into the tray. Get it to be about half the height of the ramekin. Now we're ready to pour this mixture, this custard mixture, into there. The last step is just to put it in the oven for 45 to 55 minutes. Oh god, be careful. Alright, and then once that's done, we're just gonna come back to it later. So now that the creme brulee is done, we're gonna take it out and let it sit out. Holy shit! It started bubbling.
We're making lasagna. Yeah, so sad. Because I mixed in the 4 cups of marinara and the 1 pound of ground beef, but the beef was raw. And I didn't realize it until like Justin was like, oh, do you have to cook it? And I said, no, you don't. And then I read the instructions and it turns out you had to. So I had to walk outside to the grocery store. It's probably like 100 degrees outside. You can still tell I'm like red.
A walk of shame.
Yeah, and I was kind of annoyed.
He was pretty sad.
Whatever.
You were like, yeah, we're making
It's fine.
It's like no one asked.
Damn, okay.
No one asked, no one like figured out we're like making lasagna too at the same time, so the fact that you said it really sad. Making lasagna, people are gonna be so confused. But yeah, now you know the backstory. But yeah, cook your ground beef if you're making lasagna. Right, babe?
Bye.
So this creme brulee is been taken out of the oven. Let it go to room temperature. Now all we gotta do is just cover it up and leave it in the fridge overnight. And when we come back, then we'll be ready to sprinkle some sugar and finish it off.
Also, look at our lasagna. Okay, so it's been like 24 hours. We put the creme brulee in the fridge and then we just took it out. Make sure to take it out for at least 30 minutes before you do the sugar and the creme bruleeing, I guess. So now you're going to want to put 1 tablespoon of sugar on top of each. Looks so pretty.
So basically you just want to flatten that out. That's pretty good. So the fun part now is to brulee it. And we bought this one from Amazon for about 17 bucks. And basically, I've never done this before, but I'm just gonna start off a little small.
If you don't have a blowtorch, you can use the broiler in the oven, but you just have to be more careful and just watch out so it doesn't burn or catch on fire.
Yes.
It smells good.
Real smoky. Depending on how brown you want your sugar, just look at the difference between the two. That was really fun.
Nice.
And it's really cool. You should try it. Kind of smells like a burning candle. Oh shit. Good enough.
Then make sure you sit it for at least 5 minutes before you eat it. So we'll be back. Ooh, nice. Hear that?
All right, now that we're done, let's try it. Take your favorite. Just look at that.
Can you guys see the color?
All right, let's try it.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Crack. Ooh,
Ooh.
that's fun.
Mm-hmm. Just look at that. Cheers.
Mmm.
That is creme brulee.
Yeah, really good.
That is, yep, that is really good.
It's custard
Mm-hmm.
with that crunchiness on top.
Mm-hmm. And honestly, it wasn't that hard.
And we left it in the fridge overnight or 24 hours. We can even do it for 2 hours and then just make it the same day.
Mm-hmm.
Comment down below your favorite dessert.
Mine is creme brulee.
All right, well,
Thanks for watching.
bang.